Tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside today. Couldn't find high tech, so I'm drinking on egg today. I'ma put up a style. We gon' do a drive-by in the rain. I'ma take it to trial. Pray the Lord I beat the case. That man be calling, I don't do no talk, so get the f out of my face. Gotta take in a chopper with $100,000 up in the race. You know I ain't sleeping, you know that I'm with it. I shoot right up in his face. 3 say that I'm tripping, you know that I'm dripping. I'm right this around today. I just bought a brand new watch from God, I ain't put it on yet. I don't care about no bitch and give a spend it all on my homies. I could put on myself from my car to my house, everything I own it. When they come to that money, you know I ain't staying, I be on it. I just got a pet monkey, cast out on a tiger, but really don't want it. My son don't like it. He say that we beefing, you know I won't fight him. My clip full of thunder, you know that I strike. Wanna join NBA, go catch you a body. Free Kevin Gates is murder for hire. Double G gang on the front of my title. I rid of my Glock and I bought me a riot. Tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside today. Couldn't find high tech, so I'm drinking on egg today. I'ma put up a style. We gon' do a drive-by in the rain. I'ma take it to trial. Pray the Lord I beat the case. I jump out at your house and from the cone. Man bought me a bitch, but I really don't want. I don't do no capping, I keep it 100. Right now I'm recording with 10,000 on. He say he won't smoke, but I know he don't. Up on his home, you know how I'm feeling, I don't gotta say it. Face air proud, all by my love. Tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside today. Couldn't find high tech, so I'm drinking on egg today. I'ma put up a style. We gon' do a drive-by in the rain. I'ma take it to trial. Pray the Lord I beat the case.
Gamer vs. Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.